Now let us go to exercise of 3 section E. These are 4-mark questions. Take question number 1 there. A manager of an IT company has collected the following information regarding years of job and monthly income of 7 marketing executives. Years of jobs and monthly income 10,000 rupees are given. So what we do is we make a column for x and y. Okay, x and y, then x minus x bar, y minus y bar, x minus x bar into y minus y bar, and x minus x bar the whole square, thinking that x bar is an integer, y bar also. So please write x and y and get the total 56 in both the cases. So we get x bar as 8, y bar also as 8. Then it is easy. X minus x bar, you work out, total is 0. Y minus y bar also is done. Then x minus x bar and y minus y bar, that is multiplication of these two. Then x minus x bar the whole square. Okay, we get all the values here. Now we can write the formula y cap is equal to a plus bx. B is equal to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon sigma x minus x bar the whole square. That is 21 upon 28, which is 0.75. So a is equal to y bar minus bx bar, 8 minus 0.75 into 8. That is 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Now we are in a position to write the regression line of y on x. Y cap is equal to 2 plus 0.75x. That is the answer for this question. So please, final answer please underline or put it in a box and do it. Now we go to question number 2. The information collected regarding price of a commodity and and its supply in 100 units is as follows. So we are given 2 columns, okay, and we can work out that question. Here again, find out whether mean is coming as a fractional number or not. Here mean is x bar and y bar both are integers. Okay, x bar sigma x is equal to 480 and sigma y is equal to 632. Both are divisible by 8, and so 60 and 79 we get, and write the values x minus x bar and y minus y bar. Then x minus x bar into y minus y bar and x minus x bar the whole square. The same total 4 columns. So get the values of all these columns, and you are getting the answer here as a y cap is equal to a plus bx, b is equal to sigma x minus x bar and y minus y bar upon sigma x minus x bar the whole square. That is 24 upon 36, 0.67. A is equal to y bar minus bx bar. So we get 38 minus 8. Okay, 38.8 in fact, 38.8. Therefore y cap is equal to a plus bx, 38.8 plus 0.67x. That is the final answer. And okay, so question number 2 is given like that. Then we go to question number 3. Here what is asked? Obtain the regression line of sales on advertisement cost. Okay, here what are things available? Mean is available, standard deviation is available, R is available. So we know the formula byx is equal to be r sy upon sx. Okay, so everything is available that way. So r is 0.8, sy is 12, and sx is 3. So 3.2 is b. A is y minus bx bar, which is 90 minus 3.2 into 10, which is equal to 58. So a we got. Now equation of y cap, that is the regression line of y on x, 58 plus 3.2x. That is only asked, and final answer is this. Okay, 3-mark question. Then the following results are obtained from the following information. Obtain what? Estimate the yield of crop if it rains for 20 centimeters. Okay, so here a correlation coefficient is also available, and so the equation would be b is equal to r into sy upon sx. So we work it out like this. R into sy upon sx is equal to 0.6 into 38 by 2, 11.4. A is equal to y bar minus bx bar. That is 970 minus 11.4 into 18, which is 764.8, and y cap is 764.8 plus 11.4x. So when x is given as 20 centimeter, y cap is equal to 764.8 plus 11.x into 20, which is 992.8 per kilogram. Okay, That is y cap. So question number 4 is like that. Then we have one more question left in that. Question number 5. Here a covariance is given. Variance and covariance are available. So our equation will slightly change. Okay. What is that? It will be covariance xy upon sx squared. B is equal to covariance xy upon sx squared. Variance of sx, that is equal to 80 upon 100, which is 0.8. So B we got. A is y bar minus bx bar. 50 minus 0.8 into 40, that is 50 minus 32 is 18. 18 y bar is equal to 18 plus 0.8 x. X is given as 45 lakhs here. So y cap is equal to 18 plus 0.8 into 45. That is equal to 54,000 rupees. Okay, that is the final answer. So this way you can complete this exercise.